Hi there, Shyla and
Justine here.
Clear.
We are making a deodorizing disc.
And we're doing it in a competition form.
Yeah.
Hence the reason we both have sets.
Justine versus Shyla. I don't know, you're probably gonna win. Okay.
I don't know.
The deodorizing disc is really cool because it's gonna go in like under your trash can, in your fridge, random places like that to just
Closet where you normally go.
Yeah, to just sort of make it smell nice and deodorize.
So the first thing it says is mix ingredients in small glass bowl. So
yeah.
we have all our ingredients. We're going to put baking soda in first. That was apple cider vinegar. It's got these cute little cupcake liners. My side. The pink over. That's just the inside. Okay, they're going in the oven for 20 minutes. You still have to add the essential oil yet, too.
Yeah, but we're gonna let it cool for a bit.
Yes.